Hello, engineers and creative minds. Waving hand today, we're about to take an exciting journey together, a journey that will transform your 2D drawings into 3D models, completely automated and hassle-free.
Hello everyone, I'm Masoud from Masoud Structural Studio. For the first, we prepare DWG for insert to Revit model and create grid by Dynamo. We select the Y grid and create grid point Y layer and set its color, and we create again grid point X and set grid in Y and X direction to their layer, and save this file. For insert to Revit model. Note that this file must be unique.